Alright, so this is a E4200 Latitude, and we're going to swamp the hard drive on it. First thing we're going to do is pull this one screw in the back panel, and it doesn't come all the way out, it just loosens. Then we're just going to slide it, and that removes the panel. So inside we're going to locate the hard drive. It's right here. There's two screws, one in opposing corners. Try not to lose the screws. Okay, once the screws are out, this just lifts up and comes right out this way. The cable is still attached, so just be gentle when removing that, but it comes out in one piece. We're going to put in the new hard drive, which just simply attaches the cable, and then line the drive up on the little pegs so that it sits down in there. And then we're going to put the screws back in. Once the screws are back in, we'll put the panel back on and tighten that screw up. And that's swamping the hard drive in a Lattitude 4200.